Hi all, I have a rather intriguing puzzle to show you today. This puzzle was left to me as a kind of legacy, chess legacy, by Philip Doddridge. He used to be an admin on Chess World, and he collected some of the most amazingly beautiful puzzles. And this is one of them that I'm always excited to show my students. And apparently it's a game somehow connected between Andrei Lilienthal, and Nezhmetinov playing black, but I can't quite place the game. Maybe it was an analysis of one of the games that they played. It has certain characteristics, like this knight on a5 might be a giveaway. If you could let me know what game you think this was based on, I'd really appreciate that. So apparently it's some game or analysis of a game between Lilienthal playing white and Nezhmetinov playing black. So what do you think Nezhmetinov played in this position? For each move you get right, give yourself 100 points. I really like this. Okay, so black to play here for 100 points, 5 seconds to pause the video. Also, I'll make it stream friendly. I might give it an extra 5 seconds so you can shout out your moves in the live stream for this game. So let's make it 10 seconds. Black to play. Okay, the first move is a queen sacrifice. It brings the king out. And there's tempting checks now. Which one would you play in this position? So I'll give you another 10 seconds for another 100 points starting from now. Black to play here. Okay, it's amazing piece coordination. You might have been tempted by knight f2, but it's actually bringing this rook in. So the king goes to g2. And now, what would you play? 10 seconds again. Maybe my 10 seconds is a bit fast sometimes, it's not very consistent, but rook h2. So the king goes to f3. And now, how is this finished off? Feel free to pause the video if it's not the live stream. You can pause the video, take as long as you want to get this right. You want to keep control of the escape squares and introduce those so-called killer checks, basically. So there's not too many escape squares for the white king at the moment. Okay, it's this centralizing knight move. Now the king is really running out of escape squares here. How do we finish off? Okay. Not bishop f5, because that leaves a kind of weakness in the last move. So some students have mentioned that. But actually, it's bringing a killer check into the equation, because once you're controlling the key escape squares, like the knight is controlling d3 and f3, f4 is covered, d4 is protected by the bishop, d5 is covered by the bishop. You just want to introduce the so-called killer check when this happens. And here it's the pawn, f5. And now we'll quickly just recapture here. So it leaves the king on e4, and it makes an incredibly aesthetically beautiful impression on me, this puzzle. I don't know about you guys. Please let me know. But also, if you happen to know which game you think this is based on, I'd really appreciate it. It's, Philip, rest in peace. You've left such beautiful chess treasure for me to explore, and I thought I'd celebrate some of that on YouTube, share it on YouTube. Thanks, Philip. Okay. Comments, questions, likes, shares appreciated. And if you want to play on Chess World, Kingscrusher TV, just Kingscrusher TV, register, and I'll be able to invite you for a game, or bit.ly/chessworld. Okay, and there's a suave chat forum at Kingscrusher TV/Discord as well, and playlists to check out. Okay, thanks very much.